Okay, this one is asking us to select the correct inequality to make a true statement. Basically, it's just asking which of these two decimals is the larger and which is the smaller. So the easiest way to do this is to check digit by digit, or place value by place value. So I check the tens place and they both have a 5. So at this point they're tied. When I check the hundredths place, which is the second one behind the decimal, they both have a 0. So far there's a tie. Next place value is the tens, hundredths, thousandths place. So again, they both have a 0 in the thousandths place. But now, when I check the 10,000ths place, the number on the left has a 2, where the number on the right still has a 0. So that makes the number on the left the larger of the two. Now, you're going to have there's a pull down menu here, and when you pull it down, you have two choices, a greater than and a less than. If you remember, it always points to the lesser number or opens up towards the bigger number. So the one that I want is greater than. See, it's pointing to the smaller number, which is this number on the right. Now the number on the right has more digits in it, so you might look at that and say, oh, I think that one's the larger one. It wouldn't really matter how many digits I added to this and what the digits were. The number on the left is still the larger one because it has a 2 in the 10,000ths place, where the number on the right only has a 0. Here's another example. Again, the number on the left has 4 digits and the number on the right has 3, but you can't go by that. You have to check digit by digit. So let's check the tenths place. The 10th place, they both have an 8, so there's a tie. In the hundredths place, they both have a 0, so there's still a tie. But now if we check the next digit, the number on the left has a 0 in the thousandths place, and the number on the right has a 5 in the thousandths place. So the number on the right is the larger of the two. We don't have to check any further. Now because it's the larger of the two and the one on the left is the smaller, we want it pointing to the smaller one and opening to the larger one. So this says that 0.8005 is less than 0.805. Let's try one more. Both of these numbers have zeros in the 10th position. Both of them have a 5 in the hundredths position. But when we go to the thousandths position, the number on the left has a 0 and the number on the right has a 7. So again, the number on the right is the larger of the two. So we would put the less than symbol in. The number on the left is less than the number on the right.